Are you facing issues with eye contact? Is your child not looking into you? Maybe your child is 15 months, maybe your child is 2 years, but still your child is not looking at you. He is not replying to any smile of yours. Then please look into the entire video and stay tuned with us. Welcome to the channel Autism with Koirov, and in today's video I will be discussing about how and what are the problems and how to solve the problem of eye contact, that is losing eye contact. Your child maybe is not looking at you, but that is a major problem that all the children are facing, and the parents are not being able to teach them anything. They're not being able to call them by their names because they're also not recognizing their names, and this is majorly the problem of autistic kids. So in that case, what I can say is you can do 2 or 3 things that I will say you over here. First thing that I have already said in the name calling video, I will be repeating those things once again over here. One is you can try mirror play, and how to do mirror play I have shown there. Once again I'm showing you over here how to do the mirror play. কৈরব জল খাচ্ছে, কৈরব তাকাও তাকাও, কৈরব জল খাচ্ছে, কৈরব জল খাচ্ছে, কৈরব জল খাচ্ছে, কৈরব হেয়ার পাম্প করো তো, হেয়ার পাম্প করি, হেয়ার পাম্প। কৈরব দেখে মা কি করছে, হেয়ার পাম্প। কৈরব সানগ্লাসটা একটু আমরা পরি, সানগ্লাসটা পরো, পরো সানগ্লাস পরো। মাও সানগ্লাস পরেছে, কৈরব পরো, কৈরব পরো, পরো সানগ্লাস পরেছে কৈরব। Then after that, what we can also do is we can make him sit in front of you and ask him to look at you and call him by his name. Through that, he recognizes himself as well. He gets a very good eye contact activity. So in this way, his eye contact also develops and sustains over a time, because continuously you are doing that particular activity repeatedly and consecutively. Okay. Now you can see that activity also. I have just given you the video. Please note that particular activity. Koirov, Koirov, look at me. Koirov, Koirov, Koirov. Now another thing that we can do is a very important and a very good way of doing or improving eye contact is by using bindis. That is, you can paste various colorful bindis on your face. It can be of same color, it can be of different color, whichever your child prefers. Paste various bindis on your face and ask your child to pull each bindi. Now, as your child comes to pull one bindi from your face, call him by his name and he looks at you. He gets an eye contact. Okay, so that is also a very good way of developing eye contact. You can see through the video that I have shown over here that how this can be done. Koirov, Koirov, Koirov. তারপর next, next, next. Koirov. Next, next. Koirov. Koirov. Also, you can do another thing, that is using flashcards. Once all these steps are done and your child is more or less settled with a bit lower hyperactive situation, means your child is still sitting for a few seconds or a few minutes, then in that case you can try this activity, that is you can use your flashcard, hold the flashcard over here just beside your face and ask or call the flashcard's name. Say, suppose I'm holding a mango card, so I'm just putting it over here and I am calling mango. So he looks at the flashcard, also looks at my face. So the flashcard has to be such that he looks at your face. Just look how I am holding the flashcard. So in this way, you can start dealing with this eye contact issue, and I hope you will be able to solve this issue. And though majorly we have been helped by a homeopathic medicine and a homeopathic doctor, so that has also helped us a lot in improving eye contact. But yes, these 3 or 4 ways also we have tried and we have achieved success through developing our child's eye contact. So I wanted to share this with you all. So thank you so much to you have stayed in this video for so long. And please, if you have liked the video, then like, comment and share the video, and also subscribe the channel so that you can keep getting notifications from my channel whenever I upload another useful video. Thank you.